Hello everyone. Today I'm going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Pedagogy and ICT Across the Curriculum. It's a DL&ATT first year book. It's a bestseller book of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted publishing firm of India. It's a Punjabi medium book. You can check this out. And this book is strictly according to the new syllabus prescribed by State Council of Educational Research and Training. It's as per the new syllabus pattern. So let's quickly review this book. The cover of this book is very nice. Let's review it. It's as per the new syllabus prescribed by State Council of Educational Research and Training Punjab. Units are given. Unit 1, framework for teaching and learning. Then these are the points. Then unit 2, role of assessment in teaching and learning. Unit 3, use of library and ICT resources. These are the points. Now contents are given unit wise. Unit 1, framework for teaching and learning. Then points are given. We can check the points of the contents and verify with the syllabus, like idea of building as a learning aid, laboratory, resource room, learning environment, learning aid, laboratory, resource room, playground. You can check that, verify with the syllabus. Idea of building as a laboratory aid, laboratory, resource room, playground. So unit first one is absolutely clear. Then so many, you can check them out with page number. So many units are there. Also the things are given in both English and Punjabi language, so that it would be comfortable both kind of readers to easily understand and read it. You can check them out. Now unit 2 is started. You can compare it with syllabus, like role of assessment in teaching and learning. Then assessment, meaning assessment versus evaluation and types and stage of assessment, importance of assessment. Then strategies for assessment, then strategies of summative assessment. Then so many topics till critical review of teaching and assessment practices based solely on test and examination. So you can check out unit 2 and syllabus, and you can check whether it's completely right or not. So unit 2, role of assessment, teaching and learning. Assessment, meaning assessment versus evaluation. Then strategies for assessment. Then strategies for formative assessment, strategies for summative assessment. Till its critical review of teaching and assessment practices based solely on test and examination. So unit 2 is also clear. Students cover everything of this syllabus. Then you can check unit 3, use of library and ICT resources. Using library resource as a resource in planning, guiding students to use the library. Then computer fundamentals and role of ICT in teaching learning. Till abstraction services, e-learning, e-books. You can check this out. Third unit. See, use library and ICT resources. Using library as a source in planning, resource and planning, guiding students, critical review, computer fundamentals. Till ICT based, teacher professional, as I already told. So all the 3 units of contents completely cover the syllabus. Now we have to check out the page number which are mentioned in front of contents, and check out whether there is an accurate or not. For example, if I go to unit 3 and check page 296, whether I will find guiding students to use the library as a resource for reference or not. Page 296, guiding students to use library as a source for reference, completely there. So page numbers are also very rightly mentioned. You can go to any particular page, find that particular topic and read it, and inside the topics also things are points are highlighted in both English and Punjabi language, so that it would be comfortable both kind of readers to read it. Even if you are reading English language, you can still buy this book, because the things are highlighted and the questions are highlighted in both English and Punjabi language. Now in the back side of the book, other EAD, ETT, BEd, ETT books for first year as per new syllabus prescribed by SCERT Punjab of Vinod Publications are mentioned. You can check them out. The price of the book is just rupees 229.50 rupees. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also. You can buy it online, or you can also call directly at 9876384590. You can go to their email at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com if you want to check out their books. And if you have any complaint regarding any book, you can go to their helpline email ID at help@vinodpublications.com. You can go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube of Vinod Publications and check out other books also. And if you want to buy this book offline from any available bookstore, you can buy from bookstore also, at just 229.50 rupees only. This book covers everything in detail. It has 408 pages, which is really remarkable for this. Each topic is given so many pages. You can also go to their website at www.vinodpublications.com to check out the other books. So 229.50 is the only price for this book. Buy it online or buy it from bookstore, it's your choice. I highly recommend Pedagogy and ICT Across the Curriculum, DLED ETD first year book of Vinod Publications. It's a bestseller of most trusted publishing firm of India. It's in Punjabi medium book. I highly recommend it. Must buy this book. Thank you so much.